Hi there.
Oh, hello.
I've never seen you at this park before.
That's because I've never been to this park before. I'm new to the neighborhood.
So I was right.
Yes. Yes, you were right. What's your name?
Don't worry about my name. What's important is that I'm vegan.
Oh, okay. Hello, no name. Actually, I'm vegan too.
Really?
Yes. Really?
Well, I bet I'm more vegan than you are.
What does that even mean?
I'm so vegan, I bleed tree sap.
Wait. What?
I'm so vegan, I sneeze tempeh.
Oh, okay. So you want to mess with me? Okay then. I'm so vegan, I sweat almond milk.
I'm so vegan, I use whipped tofu as hair mousse.
I'm so vegan, I let my dog walk me on a leash. Yes, I have the collar on my neck, and he pulls me.
I'm so vegan, every article of clothing I own is made of hemp. And yes, that includes my bed sheets.
I'm so vegan, I hold my breath around cows so as not to consume the oxygen they might need.
See that bird? Up in the tree? Over there? I'm so vegan, that bird held in his crap as I walked underneath him out of respect, or dare I say in tribute, to how vegan I am.
Wow. You are so vegan.
Wow. You are so vegan.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes. Let's go back to my vegan eco-friendly house, and have vegan sex on my hemp bed sheets.
Yes. And I will bring a bottle of massage oil. It has no animal byproducts, and was not tested on animals, therefore, it is vegan.
Wait. Hold on. Did that bird just crap on me?
Yes. Yes, he did. But hey, it's okay. The crap is vegan.